I'm here to pick up my mom from the airport so she can help me pack up and we can take a road trip across the country. Look who's here! I'm curious to see how flying has changed since the whole pandemic. Tell me how flying was.
Flying was great. I had the row to myself on both legs of the flight. It was very nice. Salt Lake City was a really nice little airport, easy to get around. They gave you the hand wipe thing when you got on. Finally, they were listening to me. They boarded the back of the plane first. Nice. Anybody in rows 25 and higher, we're boarding you first.
We are here at this strip mall-ish looking place with a bunch of restaurants, and I'm gonna get a kebab, and Mom's gonna check it out. That was so good. I even ate half of Mom's. I'm so hungry and still gonna have more food. We're going to check out this ice cream place. The unique thing about this ice cream shop is that they make it with liquid nitrogen and then they turn it into a rose. I got vanilla with cookie crumbs and it was so delicious. We made it home, we showered, and now we're gonna watch Hamilton before bed. We are up and gonna eat breakfast before we start packing.
We're going to put your clothes in plastic bags that we can then take the vacuum hose and suck the air out, which shrinks them down so they're easy to pack in the car and don't take up as much space.
Took a break from packing for a while, went to the grocery store to get some dinner items. Mom's making my favorite potatoes, and we're also having salmon and green beans. For the rest of the night, we'll probably just be hanging out. And tomorrow we get up bright and early for a car appointment in San Jose. Drop the car off and have 3 hours to kill. So we're going to walk down to Santana Row. It's about far away. We're here, wondering how much it changed. Wow, there's no one here. They closed down one half of the street to put all these chairs and tables so that people could eat at least. Social distancing. They even repainted the curbs and parking spots for curbside pickup. So they made it purple, I guess. And these pickup areas are pink. I don't really know what the colors mean. We're just waiting here, 1.5 hours. Right when you think the car is ready, they pull a side swipe and we're here for another 3 hours.
Because her axle is leaking.
Whoops! Because we've been delayed so much, it is lunchtime and we decided to get some pizza. We've made it to the point where we have to rent a car because my car needs to spend the night here. It does mean though we get to do this whole thing all over again tomorrow. And we're back at Enterprise to return the car and start this whole journey over again. But our car should be ready. She's back and looking good. So right now we're at a tire place to get my car all 4 new tires for the road. Looking fresh. And now we start packing. It's errand day and packing, lots of packing. I got the car inverter, so now I can use my computer. It's kind of starting to get real. I'm definitely leaving. It's official. Saying bye to all my friends and packing up, and now we are going home to pack more. Everything is gonna find its perfect little space in a little box, and it's gonna be the ultimate game of Tetris. The goal of this trip is to drive comfortably and fit all of my stuff in the car. Because on the drive out to California, it did not turn out that way. What are you doing?
I'm admiring how nice the shower looks.
Why? What'd you do?
I sprayed Clorox on every tile to get rid of the grime and the stain. And it's white again. Look at it's white again.
Oh wow, it really is.
Yes.
Crazy what Clorox does. Ugh, packing wears me out. I don't even remember where anything is anymore. And there's just boxes everywhere. Crap everywhere. But we're making progress. Tomorrow we're putting it all in the car. Time to start loading things in the car. It's disastrous in this room. This is madness. Absolute madness. The gist is, if you want to declutter your life, then just fit everything you own in a car, and whatever doesn't fit or isn't valuable, you throw away. That's basically what I'm doing now. Oh my god, we're losing all hope.
I know I was 3 years younger, but how did I ever do this before?
What sucks is that we had to pack all of this up in one day, whereas back home, we had a driveway and we did it over a few days. So that was a little less stressful. This is way more stressful. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. Help us. This is all the stuff though, right? This is like 90% of it. Oh, we're going insane.
Okay. What can we put these in? We'll leave this green thing behind.
No green thing left behind. The bags that we brought with us aren't working. They're deflating and huge again. Off to Bed Bath & Beyond to get new bags. The day never ends. Yay! Back to packing. Ugh. 1, 2, 3. There's like a more. I like broke my Achilles just now. We're back in the same situation.
Ready?
Oh, I have no pressure. I'm useless. I'm useless. I did nothing, and it's my left side.
Oh, it's actually not bad.
No, this is straight up. Try to get the angle we want it.
Yeah, there. Oh, you're happy with that.
Oh, that's much better. A whole day later, and we're basically done. We just got a few more things just to squeeze in there. Our neighbors next door are graciously letting me put my car in the garage so no one steals anything out of the car. Well, it's been a long day and we gotta get ready for tomorrow. So thanks for watching. I left a lot of stuff here. That's practical and useful. So be grateful, next resident.